Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Yes, you can roast vegetables in a popcorn maker, specifically an air popper. This unconventional method works best with vegetables that have low moisture content and can be cut into small, uniform pieces, such as cherry tomatoes, diced bell peppers, or small broccoli florets. To ensure success, preheat the popcorn maker for a few minutes, then add the vegetables. Keep the lid open slightly to avoid steam buildup. Stir or shake occasionally for even roasting. The process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. It's a quick, fun way to prepare healthy snacks or side dishes.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.